Nothing reminds me of summer more than watermelon, so I added some vodka, fresh mint, and a couple other ingredients and made my own Watermelon Martini. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making a drink that I made up. We're making a watermelon martini. Let's get started. I have here in front of me my blender. This is where it all starts. To make a watermelon martini, you need watermelon. I have here some chopped up watermelon. I bought this in the produce department, all cut up, easy peasy. You don't have to buy a whole watermelon and then cut it up yourself. You can get it just like this. I'm going to need about 8 ounces or about 228 grams of these chunks right into my blender. That's about good. Next, we need to make this blend down. It's going to need a little liquid. I'm going to put in about an ounce, ounce and a half of watermelon vodka. And it'll be about 30 mils, maybe 45 mils. And that's just going to help it all blend together. You could use plain water, but why when you have vodka? All right, lid on, and let's blend. All right, nice and blended. Now I want to add a little extra flavor to this. I have some fresh mint, just 2, 3, 4 leaves, whatever you have, but fresh. I'm going to put them right in and let them get all blended up too. Just that simple. And we're just going to pour it all in. Just like that. All right. And have a little spatula just to help it, just to push on some of these solids a bit. And this just takes a moment. And it's worth the little extra effort. That's pretty good. Now we have this beautiful watermelon juice. So let's build a cocktail. In my glass, we're going to start with this watermelon juice. 2 ounces or 60 mils. Next, some of this watermelon vodka. Now you can use regular vodka if you can't find the watermelon vodka. You can use regular. Same amount, 2 ounces. Next is orange liqueur. Now you can use triple sec, Cointreau, Grand Marnier. I'm going to use some Cointreau today. You just need a half an ounce or 15 mils. Now the orange is going to marry with the mint and the watermelon. It's going to give it a little more rounded flavor. You won't taste the orange, but it's just going to be more intense and more fruity. Simple syrup is next. 1 ounce, 30 mils. Now I'm using simple syrup because it's going to help the alcohol and the fruit juices amalgamate together. One more ingredient, which is fresh lime. I need 1 ounce, 30 mils, which we know is about a fresh whole lime. Now you know what time it is. It's time for the shaky. Here we go. All right. As always, a chilled glass. we have here. And we're going to strain this right in here. Look how pretty that is. Now you can garnish with a little sliver of watermelon. You can be fancy and put it on the glass if you want. I'm just going to float one in there. Now let's give it a taste. Wow. This is pure watermelon. All those flavors combined just help intensify that watermelon flavor. And it's refreshing and bright and sweet and delicious, but not too sweet. It's got all that citrus in it. It's really good. As always, we will see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes, Fridays for basic skills or cocktails, and every other Sunday for our live streams. Now, I'm going to go drink this out on my front porch and watch the world go by. And while I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, cheers.